Hi friends, welcome to Creo tutorial. So in today video lecture we will see the boundary blend command. Means how to use the boundary blend command that will that I will show you in this video. Okay. So the first question is that when to use the boundary blend command. As you all know that if you use the sweep command, then in the sweep command you required one path and one cross section. Then you can use the sweep command. If you want to use the swept blend command, then you require one path and different cross sections, but you have different cross sections with the different path. At that condition, you need to use the boundary blend command. I will show you with the example. Suppose I have this cross section, second cross section is this, and the third cross section is this circle. Okay, and I have the multiple paths. Suppose path number one this, and the path number two is this. So I have two different paths with three different cross sections. Then I will use the boundary blend command. Understood? So if you have different cross section with different path, then you need to require or you need to use the boundary blend commands. Okay, condition. And boundary blend command is comes under the surface design. Okay, so let's get started and see how to use the boundary blend command. Boundary blend, go in the boundary blend. First, I need to required to select. First, I need to select the three different cross sections. Suppose I want to select this circle, this second cross section, and this third cross sections. But suppose I will select this circle, this cross sections, and this. Then in the third cross section, there is as you can see, two different paths are coming. So I will not select the cross section with this order. This is one, this is two, and this three. I will select on the other side. I will select this first here, I will select second here, and I will select third cross sections here. Okay, understood? So go here, click here. If you see, after selecting this circle, you can get only half circle. So if I want to select whole circle, then I will click on the shift and select this surface. So in the first direction, you will get the one chain only. That's why I need to select the first cross sections with this circle. Press and hold control key. Second, the cross section number 2. Again, press and hold control key. Select cross section number 3. So all the cross sections is ready. The next thing you need to give a path here. So I will go in the second direction. Select this path and this path. Till now, I am not getting the any cross sections or any surface. So I will go in the control point. I will in the first click on the control point, select this point, select this point and this point. Again go here. Okay. In the set one, remove. So as you can see, our point, our path is completely generated. Okay. In the set one, if you select this point and this point, you will get your path and click on OK. So you get the surface like this. but as you zoom here, it will not tangent with this circle. So for that, I will go in the boundary blend, edit, click on this point, right click, and go in the tangent and click on OK. So it will tangent with this surface and it will comes clearly very nice. And your hook or the boundary surface is ready. Okay, guys. So that's how I will use the boundary blend command in Creo parametric. Thank you very much, guys. If you like this video, then please do more subscribe and share with your friends. Uh, Thank you very much, guys.